Welcome back to Full Circle View, where we'll explore the most fascinating aspects of the natural world. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most venomous animals on the planet. From snakes to sea creatures, the world is home to many dangerous animals that can cause serious harm or even death. So, let's dive in and explore the world's top 10 most venomous animals. Starting our list at number 1, we have the box jellyfish. This venomous creature is found in the waters of Australia and the Asia-Pacific region and has tentacles that contain toxins that can cause heart failure and death. The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, leading to excruciating pain, tissue damage, and even paralysis. Unfortunately, there is no antivenom for this jellyfish sting, so avoiding them at all costs is crucial. The box jellyfish has a cube-shaped bell that is transparent and colorless, making it difficult to spot in the water. Its bell can grow up to 30 centimeters wide, and it has up to 15 tentacles that can reach up to 3 meters in length. Each tentacle is lined with thousands of tiny, harpoon-like nematocysts, which are used to inject venom into its prey. The box jellyfish is a predator, and it feeds on small fish and plankton. It is a highly efficient swimmer, and it is capable of moving at speeds of up to 4 knots. Despite its speed and agility, it is not considered to be an aggressive creature, and will only sting humans when provoked or disturbed. The box jellyfish's venom is a potent mix of neurotoxins that attacks the nervous system, heart, and skin cells. Its venom can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death within minutes of being stung. Symptoms of a box jellyfish sting can include nausea, vomiting, difficulty breathing, and cardiac arrest. If you are stung by a box jellyfish, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately. The first step in treatment is to remove any tentacles that are still attached to the skin, being careful not to touch them with your bare hands. The affected area should then be rinsed with vinegar to neutralize any remaining nematocysts. Pain relief medication and antihistamines may be given to manage the symptoms, and in severe cases, cardiac and respiratory support may be required. Moving on to number 2, we have the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. It is native to Australia and has extremely potent and lethal venom to humans. It is estimated that one bite from this snake contains enough venom to kill approximately 100 humans. However, the good news is that the inland taipan is shy and prefers to avoid confrontation with humans. The inland taipan is a relatively small snake, with adults typically reaching lengths of 1.8 to 2.5 meters. It has a slender body, a small head, and large eyes with round pupils. Its scales are a pale brownish-orange color, and it has distinctive darker bands or patches along its body. The inland taipan is a solitary and elusive snake that prefers to avoid human contact. It is primarily active during the day and is known to bask in the sun to regulate its body temperature. When threatened, it will retreat to its burrow, but if cornered or provoked, it will strike with great speed and accuracy. The venom of the inland taipan is a highly potent neurotoxin that attacks the nervous system and can cause paralysis and death within hours.
Its venom is estimated to be up to 50 times more toxic than that of the Indian cobra and up to 10 times more toxic than that of the coastal taipan, which are also highly venomous snakes.
Despite its lethal venom, the inland taipan rarely injects a full dose when it bites, and antivenom is available to treat bites. The inland taipan feeds primarily on small mammals such as rats and marsupials, which it kills with its venom. It is an ambush predator and will wait for its prey to come within striking distance before delivering a quick and deadly bite. The inland taipan is listed as a threatened species under Australian Commonwealth Government's Environment Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act. Its population is declining due to habitat loss, predation by introduced species, and the illegal pet trade. In summary, the inland taipan is a highly venomous snake native to Australia that is considered to be the most venomous snake in the world. Despite its lethal venom, it is a solitary and elusive snake that prefers to avoid human contact. Its population is declining due to a range of threats, and conservation efforts are underway to protect this important species. At number 3, we have the stonefish. Found in the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific, stonefish have venomous spines on their backs that can cause intense pain, paralysis, and even death. Their venom is one of the most potent of any fish and can cause severe swelling, respiratory distress, and even heart failure. Stonefish are incredibly camouflaged, making them difficult to spot, so always be careful when wading in shallow waters. Moving on to number 4, we have the blue-ringed octopus. Native to the Pacific and Indian Oceans, the blue-ringed octopus has venom that can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. It is tiny, measuring only a few inches in length, but its venom is incredibly powerful, making it one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. The blue-ringed octopus is relatively small, with a body size of around 5 to 8 centimeters. Its body is soft and pliable, with a rounded head and 8 arms covered in rows of suckers. Its most distinctive feature is the bright blue rings that appear on its body when it is provoked or threatened. These rings are a warning sign of its venomous nature and can be a striking sight against its yellow-brown body color. The blue-ringed octopus is a shy and reclusive creature that spends most of its time hiding in crevices or burrows on the ocean floor. It is typically only active at night when it ventures out to hunt for small crustaceans and fish. When threatened, the blue-ringed octopus displays its bright blue rings, which it can also darken or fade depending on its mood. If provoked, it may bite with its sharp beak, injecting its venom through its saliva into the wound. The venom of the blue-ringed octopus is highly toxic and contains a potent neurotoxin that can cause paralysis and respiratory failure within minutes. It is estimated that its venom is powerful enough to kill up to 26 adult humans within minutes. Despite its lethal venom, the blue-ringed octopus is not an aggressive creature and will only attack if it feels threatened. The blue-ringed octopus is found in shallow coastal waters and tide pools in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It prefers rocky reefs and coral areas where it can hide in crevices and burrows. It is commonly found in Australia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Japan, among other places. In summary, the blue-ringed octopus is a small and highly venomous octopus found in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It is known for its stunning blue rings, which it displays as a warning when threatened. Despite its small size, its venom is incredibly potent and can cause paralysis and death within minutes. Conservation efforts are needed to protect its populations from the threats of habitat loss and the exotic pet trade.
Coming in at number 5, we have the cone snails, found in warm marine waters. Cone snails have venomous harpoons that they use to capture prey. The venom can cause paralysis, vision and hearing impairment, and death. While there is no antivenom for cone snail stings, small cone snails aren't dangerous to humans, but larger ones, which grow to nearly 10 inches, can be. Attacks can cause challenging symptoms because cone snail stingers are like hypodermic needles that deliver poisonous serum with precision. Moving on to number 6, we have the king cobra, found in South and Southeast Asia. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, known for its iconic hood growing up to 5 meters in length, and has venom that can cause respiratory failure and death. They are incredibly fast and agile, making them incredibly dangerous, and their venom can quickly immobilize their prey. Its diet consists mainly of rodents, birds, and other snakes, and it is considered a top predator in its ecosystem. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra is also revered in some cultures for its beauty and symbolic significance. At number 7, we have the Brazilian wandering spider, found in South and Central America. The Brazilian wandering spider has venom that can cause muscle spasms, paralysis, and death. The venom is potent enough to kill a human in just a few hours, and there is no antivenom for its bite. Moving on to number 8, we have the deathstalker scorpion, found in North Africa and the Middle East. The deathstalker scorpion has venom that can cause intense pain, seizures, and death. They are highly aggressive and will sting if threatened, so it's essential to exercise caution when in their presence. The deathstalker scorpion is relatively small, growing to around 7.5 centimeters in length. Its body is yellowish tan in color, with long, slender legs and 2 pincers at the front. Its most distinctive feature is its large stinger, which is curved and yellow in color. The deathstalker scorpion's venom is produced in a gland located at the base of its stinger. The deathstalker scorpion is a highly aggressive and territorial creature, and will readily attack any perceived threat. It is most active at night when it hunts for insects, spiders, and other small creatures. Its venom is used both for hunting and self-defense and can cause intense pain, muscle spasms, and even death in some cases. The deathstalker scorpion is found in arid desert regions of North Africa and the Middle East, including parts of Algeria, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. It prefers dry, rocky terrain, and is often found hiding in crevices or under rocks during the day. At number 9, we have the platypus. The platypus is a unique and fascinating mammal that is native to Australia. It is one of the few venomous mammals in the world, and its venom is a highly potent cocktail of neurotoxins, which can cause excruciating pain and even death in humans. The platypus has a distinctive appearance, with a flat, broad tail, webbed feet, and a bill that resembles that of a duck. Adult platypuses typically weigh between 1.5 and 3.5 pounds and can measure up to 20 inches in length. The platypus's venom is produced by special glands located in the male's hind legs. During mating season, the male platypus will use its hind legs to deliver venom to its rivals, which can cause intense pain and even death. In humans, the platypus's venom can cause a range of symptoms, including swelling, pain, nausea, and even paralysis. The venom contains a number of different neurotoxins, which can affect the nervous system and cause a range of symptoms.
Lastly, at number 10, we have the Maricopa harvester ant, also known as the Maricopa ant or Pogonomimex maricopa, which is a species of ant that is native to the deserts of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. These ants are known for their highly aggressive behavior and potent venom, which can cause significant pain and discomfort in humans. Maricopa stings are 20 times more toxic than honeybee venom and 35 times more toxic than western diamondback rattlesnake. If a colony of Maricopa harvester ants targets a human, the insects can, technically, kill the person with several hundred bites. Typically, though, victims can escape before that happens. Maricopa harvester ants are social insects that live in large colonies. They are highly aggressive and will attack anything that they perceive as a threat to their colony, including humans. They are known for their painful sting, which can cause intense burning, swelling, and redness at the site of the sting. That concludes the list of the top 10 most venomous animals in the world. While these creatures may seem terrifying, it's important to remember that they play an essential role in the ecosystem. As humans, it's our responsibility to respect their habitats and learn how to coexist with them safely. If you ever encounter a venomous animal, remember to stay calm, move away slowly, and seek medical attention immediately if you've been bitten or stung. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.